Before diving into complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, perform a software reset by navigating to Settings, Service, Software, Power Cycle. Next, check microphone calibration under Controls, Voice, Calibrate Microphone. Ensure your Tesla is running the latest software version. Check for updates in the software menu. Also, check for any physical obstructions near the microphone grill in the overhead console. Finally, verify phone app permissions for Bluetooth calls and that the mic isn't muted in Settings, Sound. The Tesla Model S features a sophisticated dual-array microphone system integrated into the overhead console. This setup captures voice commands, handles phone calls, and supports other audio features with exceptional clarity. At the hardware level, Tesla uses high-quality omnidirectional condenser microphones arranged in a dual-array configuration. This design enables beamforming and echo cancellation, ensuring clear audio capture even in noisy driving conditions. The software component leverages Tesla's advanced AI algorithms for natural language processing. This allows the system to understand conversational commands, recognize different accents, and process complex requests locally for privacy and speed. To customize the microphone system, navigate to the touchscreen interface. Access the voice settings through the Controls menu, then select Voice to open the configuration options. Within the voice settings, you can adjust wake words like "Hey Tesla," modify microphone sensitivity for better performance in different environments, and enable continuous listening for hands-free operation. For more in-depth troubleshooting, use Tesla's built-in diagnostic mode. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel to access it. Look for any microphone-related error codes, such as mic fault, which indicates a hardware issue. This can help differentiate between software glitches and hardware failures requiring service. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address microphone issues. Ensure your car is connected to Wi-Fi and regularly check for updates in the software menu. Recalibrating the microphone can also resolve issues caused by ambient noise. Go to Controls, Voice, Calibrate Microphone, and follow the on-screen instructions. If software solutions don't resolve the microphone issues in your Tesla Model S, a hardware problem may be to blame. Common hardware issues include a faulty microphone module located in the overhead console. Symptoms of hardware problems include unresponsive voice commands, distorted audio during calls, or complete microphone muting. These issues are more common in older Model S variants from before the 2016 refresh. To diagnose hardware issues, use the vehicle's built-in diagnostic mode. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel to access diagnostics and check for error codes like "MI fault," which indicate hardware problems. If you suspect a hardware problem, schedule a service appointment with Tesla. Technicians can inspect the overhead console and replace the microphone module if needed. The cost for microphone module replacement typically ranges from $200 to $500, and it may be covered under warranty for eligible vehicles. Always check with Tesla service for the most current information. Tesla is continually improving its voice command system with AI enhancements. Recent updates like 2024.44.x and 2025.v2 focus on more intuitive, conversational interfaces that support multi-turn dialogues. Better noise cancellation helps filter out road noise, making voice commands more reliable in various driving conditions. However, increased AI integration can sometimes lead to microphone overload during complex interactions, requiring careful management. Stay updated with Tesla's software releases to take advantage of these improvements and ensure optimal performance. To minimize microphone issues, keep your Tesla's software updated and periodically recalibrate the microphone. By 2027-2028, expect even more advanced NLP models with edge computing for real-time processing. While challenges like battery drain and privacy concerns exist, the future of Tesla microphone technology looks promising, with improved reliability and integration with autonomous features. If issues persist, contact Tesla support for professional diagnosis.